Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow only mentioned accounts to reply to your posts on Twitter using your PC. Follow these straightforward steps to customize your post settings. To get started, locate and tap on the Compose Post button on your Twitter dashboard. This button enables you to create a new tweet or post on your profile. Next, find the option labeled Everyone Can Reply next to the globe icon. Click or tap on this setting to access the Reply Audience options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Choose Only Account You Mention to limit the replies to only those accounts you specifically mention in your post. This setting ensures that your post is open for engagement from the mentioned users. Once you have chosen the Choose Only Account You Mention option, you are now prepared to share your post. Click or tap on the Post button to send your tweet out to the specified accounts. By following these steps, you can easily tailor your post settings on Twitter to allow only mentioned accounts to reply to your posts on PC. Enhance your interactions and communication with targeted users on the platform. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on optimizing your Twitter experience. Thank you for watching.